Hey there, YouTube. One of my viewers was concerned that this enabling the group policy within Windows, within your own Windows, is malware or some type of deception on my part. I don't think they meant that to be mean, but maybe I wasn't perfectly clear on when I created the other video. And the person was also concerned that version 1809 or build 1809, that the other video or the other bat file that I created apparently didn't work on that build. So I decided to go ahead and create a specific build for the 1809. So what I did, what you see here, is what I created from Windows. So if you want to see what build you have, just type WinVersion or WinVer, click OK or hit enter, and it'll show you 1809. And then what we're going to do, what I did to create this, is I went right to this computer, and I went to this PC, I went to C drive, Windows, I went to servicing, and as you can see, this is right on your computer. And then packages, and in here are a bunch of mum files that can be extracted using DISM, another piece of software that's installed on this Windows. So what I did is typed GROUP and P, and it'll bring up the client extensions, the client tools. There's 58 of them. You don't want to worry about these ones. What you want are the ones that look like a blank envelope. Well, in this case, I was goofing around, so mine looked like Notepad because I associated it with Notepad. But yours will just be a blank envelope looking thing, or a piece of paper. And what I did is I copied this link right here, and I created this notepad from this information. So if you go back, so what I did is I clicked on here, I copied this first, C Windows Servicing Packages, and as you can see, that's right here, and I pasted that in. But I wrote this DISM online. Online means specifically that you're focusing towards the computer that you have online right now. No restart means that it's not going to restart when this is all done. And then add package means that the target where we're looking to extract the package from, and we're going to see Windows right on your computer. We're not going outside your operating system. We're going nowhere. This is something that you can write on your own. You don't have to use mine. I'm going to provide you a .bat file that you can just run. It's not a virus, or you can just do exactly what I did. Write all this in, the C Windows Servicing Packages, and then paste your information from here. So now what I did is I went back again, and that brings me back to here, and then I find these files and I click on it, every single one of them. I copy, and then I went right back to this notepad, and I went right here and I pasted. Of course, I've already done it, so yours would be blank. Well, I didn't do it there, sorry. I did it right here. So so I went and I created all of these. I created 58 of these babies, the DISM online services packages, and I created 58 of them. And then when I was done, I clicked File, Save As, and so I'll do it right now. File, Save As. So I created a desktop, GP install, and then I put .bat at the end of it, and then I click Save. It's going to tell me that I've already got one, so I'm going to click Yes. I want to replace it, and then I'm going to click Close on this. I'm going to close this, you can see this is the GP installs right there. I'm going to close this now. So just to show you that it doesn't work right now, we're going to go Gpedit.msc. And just so you can see, I type that. I'm going to hit enter, and it's probably going to try to do a search. Yeah, it's trying to search for it. So if you take the .bat file that I'm going to provide for you, you right click or create it yourself, click run as administrator, click yes. And by the way, if you're having trouble hearing me or things are making funny noises, my microphone and system that I've set up is not very good, and but I wanted to get this out to you, so those of you that are having trouble can try this. I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to try it when it's done. This is my first time with this build, and I'm glad the person kind of pointed that out, because I probably should put a note on the previous video that, you know, this may not work on all builds. So hopefully when this is all done, this will work, and it might take some time. As you can see, we're on processing 1 of 1, and it's 84%. That's going to do that. That's going to do that 58 times. So be interesting to see how it turns out. So what I'm going to do is, just so you know that this is live, I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to let it run, and I'm going to be quiet for a minute and watch it go. You can see for yourself in real time. This is my first time trying it with this build. Let's see what happens. Well, that one completed successfully, so hopefully the rest of them keep going. And this is gonna do this 58 more times. So like I said, I'm not gonna keep you. Well, looks like it might go a little quicker now. So that first package is pretty slow. Hopefully this baby rocks it right out for us, and we can test it out and see if it works. If not, then I'll be back at the drawing board to see what I'm missing or see what we have to do. But like I said, these files are all right on the operating system. So when you buy your computer, Microsoft gives this to you. Whether you know, in the IT industry, we extract files from Microsoft all the time to use in a larger environment. So I really don't see this as being you know, illegal, as some people may think. It's part of an operating system that you bought and they gave it to you. So I mean, I haven't seen anywhere where they said, hey, don't do this. Why would they include it if they don't want you to use it? But it's still going. We'll wait. I mean, for those of you that you know, want to spare yourself the agony, you can just fast forward to the end of the video. I'm just probably going to ramble anyways. Sorry about that. see it's still going. Yeah, it disappeared on you for a few minutes just to see if I turn my eyes away from it, maybe it'll go a little quicker. And it didn't work, so nice thought though. So I probably would have paused the video while this went on somewhat, but unfortunately I'm trying to get used to this OBS studio, and it's my first time using it. So if any of you guys got any advice on how to save or how to pause the video, that would be very beneficial. So please share in the comments below. And like I said, normally I don't keep this going like this, but I want everybody to see in full time. I don't want it to be paused or cut or whatever, because I want people to see that I'm not doing anything to this. This is just gonna run, and when I'm done, I'm gonna test it. So that just rules out any kind of mischievous behavior. I like to do things on the up and up, and try to give you guys the safest stuff that I can give you. There was no guarantee, and you're using this at your own risk. One thing I've been kind of working on is the process of uninstalling this once it's done, or reverting. So if you have the ability to save your operating system in the state that it's in now, and then go ahead and run this, and then if it fails, you can just revert back so you can try another one. That's a very good idea. You always want to save the state of your machine. I'm doing this on a test machine, so I'm doing it in a virtual machine, but it's the same thing. I could have installed this on my computer and this would run the same exact way. It's just running in a virtual environment. It makes it a lot easier for me to record and show you everything that's going on. And if you guys have any questions at all, I'm more than happy to answer people's questions. If you have questions that aren't related to this, please feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to offer advice if I can. And if you got friends and family that are, YouTube a lot, please ask them to like and subscribe. I don't put a lot of videos up, but anytime somebody asks me to create a video, I will, if I have the answer that you're looking for. We're going to be getting pretty close to the end of this thing. And as you can see, you see activate Windows down there. I'm just using the Microsoft tool that allows you to download the image. So I'm only going to keep this on this machine long enough to create this video, and then I will completely delete this operating system off of my virtual machines. And if need be, I'll rebuild using the same image. They take up a lot of space, so even though I have a lot of space, it's a lot neater and easier if you can just delete Rebuild. Mostly because, as you can see, I'm changing the operating system right now. So once we're done, the easiest way to revert back is just to rebuild the virtual machine to square one. So kind of like re-imaging. Somebody had to sleep. Alright, so that was it right there. So when you get to the end, that's why I put a pause at the end so that you can see if there was any errors, you would be able to go back through. You can see there's no errors. Everything completed successfully. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to hit enter and that'll go. And now we're going to try to type in Gpedit.msc and see what happens. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. And as you can see, it looks like it's loaded. So I'm running a virtual machine, so it's running pretty slow. Here, let's see what we can. And that's it. Well, I mean, it's in. I mean, you'll have to test it and let me know what you think. As far as Windows component autoplay, we got all this in here. These will have their own capabilities. All right, so as you can see, it went in. As far as prevent access to the command prompt, and double click on that and open it up, and I mean, it's not configured. I mean, it seems like it's working. So let me know what you think, and hope you like the video, and sorry for making it so long, but sometimes you just to get the point across that I'm not doing any deceptive things, that this is right from your operating system, and there's no outside anything, and you can build it yourself. You don't have to use my .bat file. All right, well, hope this helps, and just give me some comments below. Thank you.